Welcome to Mrs. Ferdinand's art class. Today's lesson, we're going to start drawing today. We're going to keep things simple and see how we can get started with drawing. Our objectives today, we're going to cover drawing media and surfaces, drawing tools, where to get ideas, skills, and getting started. Now, if you're using this for homeschool material or for like teaching supplements, you can find the state and national standards in the description. So, what is drawing media? We're going to start with that. So, media is the materials that artists use to create drawings. So, this would be pencils, charcoal, pens, colored pencils, markers, ink, graphite, pastels, chalk, and lots of other things. We're just talking about drawing for this video. So, these are kind of the most common media used in drawing. And drawing surfaces is next. This is the surface that you can draw on. So it really can be just about anything that your media will stick to. Most common is going to be like paper, mixed media, board, Bristol board, cardboard. It could be a variety of things. Drawing tools. So we have a lot of tools that we're going to be using while we're drawing. We're going to have pencils. We're going to have pencil sharpeners, erasers, rulers and guides, blending tools, and a whole lot of other things that we can use as tools to help guide us in drawing. So where can artists get some ideas for drawing from? Well, we can look at social media or online sources. We can look at other artists' work. We can use prompts to help us create drawings. We can combine ideas. We can visit museums and galleries to see what other artists are creating. We can look to nature for inspiration. We can look at our own life. And we can also look at movies, stories, and books for inspiration for our drawings. So what skills do we need to get started? That's what we're going to kind of cover in the next upcoming videos, but we're going to learn how to use our pencils and our tools to create drawings. We're going to go over values. We're going to go over some drawing techniques. And this is kind of getting started with drawing. I can't wait to see you back. Let me know in the comments what you are most interested in learning how to draw.